Hello, all. This is Ms. Gibbs with Stacks and Tech. I want to bring you a quick video of how to create a histogram using your probabilities or using your information in Excel. So here I have our X and our probability. So whatever you're working with, your two columns, you want to highlight your data. Highlight your data. See this little quick analysis down here. You want to click on the quick analysis. And you have your different charts. So I'm going to go to charts. And this is the quickest way. I think there's another way you can do this, but this is the quickest way for me. Charts, you want to go to cluster. I know it's not a histogram, but just stick with me. Go to cluster. And then you see your probabilities here on the side, and then your X's here. I would encourage you to label your chart if need be. And then you want to go to quick layout up here in the corner, quick layout. And there's a histogram feature here. Histogram feature here. That's the quicker way to create a histogram using your data in Excel. So you have your X. You can even have your frequencies here, but we're working with probabilities at this point with our project. So I just highlighted both of those columns. Don't highlight your labeled column. Click on the analysis in the corner, chart, cluster, then quick layout and turn it into a histogram. So here you can label this as whatever your X's are, whether it be number of absences, number of whatever you're talking about here, and then put your binomial probability or just probabilities here. All right, until next time.